The company asked me to investigate a leadership management program to develop internally our managers and supervisors. I looked outside the company at classes, I looked at bringing consultants in, but it was a clear choice when we looked at BizLibrary how I could integrate BizLibrary leadership training where we could focus on our problems and not necessarily problems of other companies. The content of the BizLibrary inventory was what led us to selecting BizLibrary. We operate in a manufacturing environment where 350 employees are on the production floor. I also have engineers and managers. I had to have a cross selection of classes that would really apply to everyone in the business. We introduced a leadership training development program. With that, we had classroom work, but external-wise, we had BizLibrary homework assignments. And that affected drastically how our people learn, what they retain, and the success of the program. BizLibrary is there every day in solving unique problems of the company. For example, we had a technical program manager who was an engineer by trade, college educated, but never really managed people. He came to me one day and said, you know, I was watching some BizLibrary tapes that you did not assign to me last night to make sure I was doing the right thing with my people. Our employees are exhibiting an ownership mentality, be it the pride, be it the information learned, or be it all the above. BizLibrary has definitely added to the bottom line of component repair technologies.